Bonjour! Hi there. Thank you for taking a look at my new and exciting way of learning to speak French. 3-Minute French makes learning easy by incorporating my logical, step-by-step method. You'll find the whole process fun and exciting. What I've done is broken down the French language into its key parts, and I'll show you how to build it back together again. It's as easy as ABC. If you can put things in order, you can learn to speak French with my simple to use course. Have a look at how easy it is to play around with the French language and build sentences. C'est délicieux. It's delicious. C'est beau. It's beautiful. C'est beau ici. It's beautiful here. C'est bon ici. It's good here. You'll learn how to make your sentences longer with words you can use in any situation. C'est très bon ici. It's very good here. C'est très beau ici. It's very beautiful here. You'll be able to say things like this without even thinking. Tout est toujours absolument parfait ici. Everything is always absolutely perfect here. You'll learn to manipulate the French language, allowing you to say exactly what you want. C'est bon ici. Ce n'est pas bon ici. Ce n'est pas bon là. Ça c'est bon. Tout est bon. Tout est bon ici. Tout est bon là. Change words, add words, play around with the language, and really make it your own. The great thing about 3-Minute French is that I've made it available in a range of different formats. Whether you learn best through reading, watching, or just listening, there is something available for you. So if you want a French course that will get you speaking from the get-go, that will get you memorizing everything in a natural way, and that will show you how to manipulate the language, then give 3-Minute French a go today. Merci.